Okay, so I'm here at the airport for Lisbon. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. I'm tired. But I think it's gonna be a little bit of a vibe. I think it's gonna be a great time because work has been a lot. So I'm ready to just honestly log out for real. I left literally all my work stuff at home. I was like, I'm actually over this today. But yeah, so I'm excited to board the plane. First time in Portugal. I've been to France before in the past. I've also been to Amsterdam. Sorry, but I'm excited. I think I've heard nothing but good things about Lisbon and Portugal in general. I just recently came back from Brazil, so I'm ready to see what the Portuguese got going on. So I know a little Portuguese. I don't know a lot. I know Brazilian Portuguese, which I heard is different. So we're gonna see. But I also signed up for Brazilian Portuguese lessons because I do plan to go back to Brazil for like hopefully a few months and just stay there and like learn and grow there. But yeah, so I'm excited, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I land. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're about to board soon. So excited. There's a lot of people. I'm tired. I almost fell asleep while sitting on the chair. I woke up really early, went to sleep really late because I was packing to like 1 a.m. I had to wake up early to eat and run last minute errands, so. But on our way to Portugal. Okay, so we made it on the flight for we're gonna get like a little seat tour. So this is what it looks like a little bit here. It's cute. It's a little vibe. I will see you guys in Portugal. Okay, so I just landed in Lisbon. It's 11:52, and so I ended up flying into Europe. I think was it a day after they started the new entry exit system. And let me tell you, it's a mess. It's a hot mess express. Literally didn't know what to do with any of us. Like, we were just going from line to line to line to line to line. It was very annoying. But I ended up figuring it out. And right now I'm waiting for my Bolt to come pick me up so I can go to the hostel and drop off my things. But I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. Mentally exhausted. I barely slept on the plane. That might just be my fault, but I'll chit chat with y'all later. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I am here in Lisbon. As you can see, it's giving. So basically, I arrived to my hostel and I dropped my stuff off. Or the first thing I noticed when I walked into my hostel was that my hostel room, so I share a room I think with like 6 other girls because there's like 3 sets of bunk beds, so it's 6 other girls, but I think there's currently only like 4 of us in there. And I walk in to like drop my stuff off, and the first thing that literally like hits me is the smell. My room, like, it smelled like BO before I showed up. Like, and hold on. The body odor was so strong. Like, I was like, damn, like, I really hope. I'm low-key thinking of asking them to change my room. But, like, I'm really, like, hoping that, like, that doesn't linger into my clothes and shit because, like, it actually smells. And I was just like, I'm confused because I heard a lot about, like, people not washing or maybe not taking care of themselves in that way. But, like, genuinely, I'm really confused. The smell confused me. I'm really confused. I'm American. I'm confused. But the hostel's nice. The people are nice. It's cute. My room just stinks. one of my roommates smells, and I don't know what to do about that. I'm scared. Whatever, but the view is beautiful. Look at that. It's giving. What's funny is that I told myself that I was gonna be excited to walk up these hills because summer's around the corner, but I lied. I lied. I'm tired. I'm running off of like 3 hours of sleep. Not a good idea. I came to this castle. I'll insert the name of it. Just wanted to do something today. I'm so tired, but it's so beautiful. And you can see the, I would say the copycat of the Christ Redeemer from here. Just give me a second. I almost tripped. Okay, it's like over there. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Hold on, y'all. Do you see it? It's like kind of tiny, but it's right there. I will see if I can like put something here with my iPhone, but it's so cool. Look how beautiful it is today. So pretty. Her. Okay, so I'm just doing a little walking around here. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But yeah, no, it's like really pretty. I think this is a nice little calm way to explore the city. They gave me a little pamphlet, which I could maybe do a voiceover and talk about the history of this place. I read a little bit about the Roman I read a little bit about the Roman Empire and stuff like that, so I think that'll be interesting. But yep. La Forteza. Okay, so walking around, I'm like, okay, the castle's really cool. It reminds me of like the Roman Empire. But then I start thinking about the Roman Empire, and I start thinking about the olden times with Europe, and a Nigerian myself, I start thinking about, oh, so you guys can keep y'all stuff, but you destroy our things. But I think also too, I'm coming from a place of appreciation of history in general. I love to see history and see some of the beginnings of time that's been preserved. I think that's always beautiful, regardless. Okay, you guys, we're going up. We're going to climb where they're climbing. Well, gotta be careful. So as I was climbing the stairs, at like halfway through, I was like, oh, I have to climb these back down. And like, I was like, oh, I didn't think about that part. But we're up here and we're going to enjoy the views, and we'll think about the consequences of climbing the stairs back down later. These are not very strong bars. Let me tell you something. My fear of heights is being challenged right now. Like, you guys, I am so tired and I feel like my lower back is killing me because I'm like walking on cobblestone. I'm tired. Again, I'm running off 2 hours of sleep. I am trying to go to this restaurant that I found. I see if it's good. It's like hummus. I think they have cochinas. Let me a good cochina. So I think I'm gonna get some of that and some hummus with some pita bread. And let that be my dinner for today because it's 6, but the sun is so high in the sky. I'm just like confused, but let's see where this thing takes me because y'all, I'm tired as fuck.